Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2002 Mazda Protege 5, and it's early in the morning because we are going to trace where's the squeaking sounds coming from. My customer, one of my friend, told me like every single day. At first start, you can hear a very light squeaking sound, but after that, few minutes of running, the squeaking sound fade away. So this is the perfect time to check and trace where the squeaking sounds coming from. But based on my history on this car, we already replaced the AC compressor, water pump. So I'm suspecting it's the power steering pump or the alternator. So those are the parts that we are going to check. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so we made this like a semi microphone. So this is a stick from my garden, then my funnel. So I'm gonna touch the parts that I suspect where the squeaking sounds coming from, and we will hear it loud it in here. Okay, so let's say I suspect it's the power steering pump. I'll just touch the power steering pump like that, and then hear it from here, or the alternator, there, hear it from here, and then we can trace where's that squeaking sound coming from. So again, we do this as early in the morning because everything is still cold, and usually cold parts, that's where the most probability of having these squeaking sounds. For I don't know, maybe there's a scientific explanation of that. Maybe the parts become more, it will shrink maybe, and then after it warm up it will swell. I don't know, but maybe okay. Anyway, let's start the car. Okay, so we're gonna start the car. Actually, I did try to trace it yesterday, but the car is already warm, so it's not squeaking. But I suspect it's this one, the alternator bearing. So I'm gonna start the car and quickly put this one over there, and let's hear if it's the alternator. Oh, it's smoke. It's not squeaking though. But anyway, you can hear it. Yeah, there's only two that I'm suspecting. Power steering. Maybe the power steering pump too. Ah! Oh my god. Bad timing, why it didn't squeak? Oh my god. You know what, let's try to turn the steering wheel. No squeaking sounds. Why? Um, but again, guys, this is one of the perfect tools, DIY tools to trace squeaking sounds. But unfortunately, we didn't, and we are unable to use it. But again, I'm suspecting it's coming from the your power steering. Oh well. Anyway, this is how you know trace a squeaking sound using